Hello again, this is Teacher Pelly, and today I'm going to show you how to teach letter U to very young ESL learners. Our lesson today is letter U. Again, U. Again, U. And the sound of U is again, again, uh. That's the sound of letter U. We are going to trace letter U following the arrows. Okay. Down, up. Again. Down, up. Again. Down, up. That is letter U. It's like a tongue. Okay? Letter U is like a tongue. Let us name some objects that begin with letter U. The sound of U is and U is for umbrella. Again, umbrella. Umbrella. Okay? U is for uncle. Again, uncle. Again, uncle. Okay. U is for under. The man, the girl, and the dogs are under the tree. Under. Under. U is for undershirt. Again, undershirt. Undershirt. U is for underwear. Again, underwear. Underwear. U is for ugly. Again, ugly. Ugly. U is for umpire. Again, umpire. Umpire. U is for up. The arrow is going up. Up. U is for underground. Again, underground. Underground. Okay, all those things or objects begin with letter U. And what's the sound of U again? Okay, that ends our lesson today, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you, children. Thanks for dropping by. If you want more videos like this, give us a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below. Thank you.